Is this Central Machinery parts washer worth your money? Let's find out. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin again with Yerkit Racing. We're back out in the garage today. We got another addition to the shop here. Got a parts washer we picked up. It's a Central Machinery 20 gallon. Came from Harbor Freight. So it's a budget unit. I'm hoping it'll do pretty good for us. Don't think we'll have any issues with it. I'm going to start out the video. We're going to show you the unboxing, kind of what it looks like, what you can expect when you buy it, and then we'll throw it all together and we'll give it a run on a couple of parts. Alright, so we got Reagan out here in the shop helping us today. Alright, so basically, I mean, that's kind of the first peek at it. Nothing, I mean, we're looking at the top of it right now, so we'll dig into it a little bit, I guess. Alright, roll it in closer. Get a little better shot here. First shot, looks like we got some hardware here. A couple of odd ends we're going to have to screw on the side of it, like the, I guess it's probably the tank, and maybe the electrical box. And then we got some legs and stuff in this. So we're going to go ahead and snatch it out of the box, guys, see if we can't put it together. Alright, so in this box here we just got our 4 legs and the nozzle for it. Alright, Ray, I'm going to get this out of here. You just take the box, set it to the side. So it's nice, guys, that it comes with the lid already assembled to the unit. I was thinking we'd probably have to do all that and adjust the arm, but looks like that's already done for us, so that's a good thing. Should make this a pretty quick slap it together piece here. Do you see another flat panel in the bottom of that box over there, Ray? Yes, in there, I see it. So that'll go down between the legs. Alright, so it's lady tub in the upside down position. And grab that side of the tank like this. We got to flip it upside down. So put this hand there, and now we're going to flip it just like that. Okay. Straight down. And then watch your fingers. Cool. So now it's upside down. We got to put our legs on it. All right, Ray, let's bust this thing out of here. So that, guys, and then the tray for the inside and the panel between the legs is all it is to the kit. So it's pretty pretty simple. Alright guys, so now we got the legs all put on. We have to put this tray in the middle for the shelf. Same thing, put a bolt through. Alright, now we got to run through and tighten everything up, guys. Alright guys, so the last little bit of the installation was really simple. You got the box down here that has your electrical and your pump inside of it. Basically you just loosen this screw and this screw. You slide it through this square opening. It's a ledge on the bottom. If you can see, it's a little lip that overlaps. And then you just tighten the screws back down. The wand just screws down into there. So that's pretty straightforward. And then the pan just drops in and sets in place. So anyway, pretty cool setup. Happy with it so far. We'll go ahead and move it over to our spot and see if we can test it out. Alright guys, so that's the hole where it's going to sit. Everything's put together. We just got to grab some fluid and pour it in, and then we'll give it a run on a couple parts. Alright guys, so we're going to be giving this here a try. Not really sure if it's going to work well or not, but seen some reviews on it. Sound like it was pretty good, so they had it in stock in town. Like I said, if it isn't good, we'll switch to something else later, but mix this at a 10-to-1 ratio is what it says. So we're going to dump this in first. Alright, time to get this thing to run. We'll clean this off a little bit. Try to get too much down here on the sensor end. So, dirty thermostat here, clean it up and reuse it. Spring and all still works, so should be good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. It looks pretty good. I'm really happy with it. The pressure on the pump seems nice and strong. Plenty of fluid flow. Even the oil eater cleaner degreaser that we picked up from Tractor Supply, that seems to be working pretty decent too. No real complaints. I mean, everything is cleaning up about like we would hope. At least for this little test we've done here. You know, if anything changes with it, I'll come back and let you guys know again, but you know, so far, man, I'm pretty impressed with it. Nice little setup. Should be good. for cleaning our parts up around the shop. All right, guys, that's going to do it for us. We will see you guys on the next one. Thanks. It's kind of weird though, that little gun thing I did, like the point. That's.
Don't do it next time.